Litigation funding firms versus self-funded plaintiffs. Which one is better for access to justice in large claims? Most people get this wrong. They assume that only wealthy plaintiffs can pursue large claims. The surprising truth is that litigation funding firms are leveling the playing field, giving ordinary individuals and small companies access to justice that might otherwise be out of reach. Litigation funding firms provide capital to cover legal fees, court costs, and expert expenses for plaintiffs who don't have the resources to self-fund. In exchange, the funder receives a portion of the settlement or judgment. For example, a small business pursuing a multi-million-dollar breach of contract claim can hire top-tier lawyers and finance expert witnesses without draining its own cash flow. This approach reduces financial risk while maintaining the ability to pursue complex, high-stakes litigation. Self-funded plaintiffs, on the other hand, retain full control and don't share proceeds, but they assume all financial risk. Large claims can take years, and the costs often run into hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars. Many potential plaintiffs give up before filing due to the prohibitive expense, limiting access to justice. The optimal strategy depends on the plaintiff's resources and risk tolerance. Litigation funding firms are ideal for those who need capital to pursue large claims while minimizing personal financial exposure. Self-funding works if the plaintiff has sufficient resources and wants complete control, but it's often impractical for high-cost, high-risk litigation. The key takeaway is that access to justice isn't just about legal expertise, it's about financial capacity. The surprising truth is that litigation funding firms enable more plaintiffs to pursue legitimate claims, ensuring fairness and accountability, while self-funding remains viable only for those with deep pockets or low-risk cases.